Hi, welcome to 8th grade science. My name is Matt Brown and I will be your instructor throughout this course. I'm glad you all got the link and figured out how to get access to the website. If you still have issues with it, please email me and I'll help you through that. First thing I'm going to have you listen to today would be your first assignment, which, as you can see here on your course homepage, is your introduction video. So anytime I post assignment, you're going to just click on the homepage. Mine's going to look different than yours, but this is what you'll see. Hey, so welcome back. The first assignment, you're going to introduce yourself. I would like for you to include your favorite thing that you did over the summer, some of your favorite hobbies, educational strengths, basically in terms of how do you like to learn? Are you more independent, or do you need others around you? Do you work better in groups? You tell me. Some of your goals for this year. And then your feelings on web-based instruction. Are you excited about it? Are you nervous? Are you comfortable, uncomfortable? That's some things you could talk to me about. Before I go into what's next, I'll tell you a little bit about myself. I'd have to say my favorite thing I did over the summer was I got to be a stay-at-home dad for the first time, which was very challenging. My wife works and I'm a teacher, so I get summers off. So that was interesting to say the least. Some of my hobbies, honestly, I like to golf. I know that's kind of a cliched hobby, but it's what I like to do. Some of my educational strengths, I have become more of an independent learner throughout my life. My goals for this year is just to continue to get better as an educator and help you guys and have you help me throughout this whole process. And my feelings on web-based instruction, I love it. It's one of my favorite things to do. Hey, so a little bit about me. Now it's your turn. You might be asking yourself how exactly you do this. Well, what you're going to do with your Google email address is you're going to create a free Screencast-O-Matic account or any other free website you find more suitable for you. And you're also going to create a YouTube account. You'll upload your videos and create it in your own YouTube channel. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you kind of what that's going to look like. Here is the Screencast-O-Matic website. This is what I use all the time, and it's easy and it's free, and so that's why we use it. Okay, so you'll sign in right here with your Google accounts, and then you click right down here, launch the free recorder, and it will give you prompts onto how to start your video, stop your video, and upload your video. When you upload your video, you need to have, whoops, sorry, I forgot to click out of this. When you click out of your video, you will need to go to your YouTube account that you created, and you're going to go to your channel. And you're going to select one of these. Well, for you, I have a bunch of videos on here, but you're going to select your intro video, whichever one that may be. Okay? So when you're ready to share that, you will click the share button, copy and paste the link to your video. And then I'll put it right here for now, but on your page it'll actually have a submit sign. Like I said, my screen's gonna be a little bit different than yours. When you see that turn in assignment, you will write your name on it. So if I were you, I would type Matthew Brown, and I would type in my link right there. If you have any questions about this, please feel free to email me at any time. I'm really good about getting to email. I look forward to going through this course with you, and I want to wish you the best of luck. Thank you.